In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft PowerPoint. This setup takes just a few moments to complete. To start, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You'll want to create a new presentation, which will give you a blank canvas to work with. Once the presentation is open, you can add a title to your first slide. This is where you'll set the stage for your presentation, giving your audience a clear idea of what to expect. Next, you'll want to click the New Slide button. This action will add another slide to your presentation, allowing you to expand on your initial ideas or introduce new topics. From here, you can insert text, images, charts, and other content using the Insert tab. This tab is your gateway to enriching your slides with diverse elements that can make your presentation more engaging and informative. With that out of the way, as you build your presentation, you can organize your slides from the left side panel. This panel helps you keep track of your slides' order and allows you to rearrange them as needed for better flow. Finally, when you're finished, save your presentation to keep your changes. This ensures that all your hard work is preserved and ready for your next big presentation. And that's how to use Microsoft PowerPoint.